everyone, welcome to our channel Sam's and Tan's Adventure. Today we're at Heron Keys in Canary Wharf. We're going to be seeing the winter lights at Canary Wharf, and we're going to show you the different art with lights and what's new. So because we have been here last year, but this year might be a bit different, so we'll show you around to see what is available here today. We're going to start off with this display. So it's quite interesting how they have arranged this, and we're going to get a map from the winter light staff to find all the spots and see the different lighting display. It's quite busy today in Canary Wharf, as you can see, a lot of people, and the trees are looking beautiful. There's music playing as well in the background, a lovely atmosphere and a nice way to spend the evening. As you can see here, there is a counter for information for winter lights, and I'm just going to go and get a map from here and ask these guys to help me out. Guys, as you can see, I've got a winter lights map in my hand, and we're going to move forward and show you what that looks like. We are now walking through Jubilee Gardens, and everything has lights on it. The bench is lit up, the trees looks beautiful. What an amazing view.
Yes.
I just love the colour, that's my favourite colour, and I'm enjoying seeing the view. As you can see, there are also food stalls, food trucks available here for winter light event, and there's a variety of food: Moroccan street food, rice ball wraps, food fried pizza. So there's an option for everyone. There's also big Caribbean flavors, and the menu for the food is also listed on the map. So it says here, winter lights continues this way. To see the artworks 9 to 15, so it's clear signs, and we're going to check out the artwork 9 to 15, which are listed on the map. It's so amazing how the light display is changing. I'm quite surprised. I wasn't expecting that. They put some music on as well. Looks amazing. This is another lighting display. Looks amazing. It's right near the Canary Wharf station. Here is another art display. This is in the shape of a dolphin, made from different objects, and it's lighting up as well. And from here we can see there's more light display artwork. We are approaching the next one. We're just following the signs and directions on the map. This is another display at the Crossrail. It's a planet theme. As you can see, it looks gorgeous. Beautiful views in the roof garden. Just above Crossrail. Here is another globe lighting up. behind the trees. It's gorgeous. This is the end of our trip. So just going to say bye to everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I recommend that it's definitely worth visiting Winter Lights at Canary Wharf. See you next time for more adventures.